Hello there, my name is Shelly Loving and I am a nutrition chef teaching you simple ways that you can make your meals a little bit healthier. I love to talk about greens, in particular leafy greens, because I do believe they are the foundation for healthy eating. I don't believe you have to eat salads at every meal. I don't think that you can just eat lettuce in a dressing and call it healthy. I think that we can get creative to incorporate these leafy greens into our recipes because they are packed with so many nutrients. They have antioxidants, they have calcium. Some of them even have protein like broccoli. They have fiber, they're anti-inflammatory, which means they fight inflammation for us. So think about leafy greens as little soldiers. When you eat them, they're going in your body and they're like fighting off the free radicals and they're fighting inflammation inside your body. Isn't that really cool? They actually help detoxify our body, and particularly the liver. They're good for our bone health because a lot of them have calcium, and they also have vitamin K. So I try to tell people, eat your greens twice a day. And there are different ways that you can eat it other than just a salad. You can put them in your smoothies. I put spinach and or kale in my smoothies every day that I make a smoothie, which is 3 days a week. I put leafy greens in there to make sure I'm getting adequate amounts of fiber. You can rip them up into real small pieces and put them in your soups. And if you have picky eaters, you can blend them up with your marinara sauce. They will not taste them, and then you're giving them those leafy greens without them even knowing it. And of course, the obvious, you can put them on sandwiches and wraps, and you can juice them. So if you are a juicer, if you have a juicer at home, make sure you put leafy greens in your juice. My favorites are collard greens and kale. One of the leafy greens that people don't think about very often is bok choy. It's one of my favorite vegetables to make because there's so many things you can do with bok choy, and don't leave those leaves out of the recipes. You can chop them up separately than the stem, and then you can just add them to your soups last minute, roast them last minute, but don't forget about those leafy greens on bok choy. Hey, and do me a favor. Will you hit that subscribe button? Because I want to keep encouraging you in your own kitchen on simple, practical ways to eat and cook just a little bit healthier.